Good morning, YouTube. It's time to make a random record video. So let's hit the random button and see what comes up. We're going to get 7/7 Sunset Strip and Sebastian. Okay, this is from 1959, jazz pop, okay? So we're going to come over here. There's two tracks. Track number 1. So we're going to play 7/7 Sunset Strip. I'm going to go in the room and grab the record, so I'm going to pause you because it's in the 45s. Okay, here's the record. So let's shed a little light on things here, I guess, to start. 45 adapter, 45. Turn the volume up. 45 speed. Whoa, that's 78 speed. Sorry.
Sunset Strip. 77 Sunset Strip. 77 Sunset Strip. Sunset Strip. 77 Sunset Strip. 77 Sunset Strip. Seventy-seven Sunset Strip. 77 Sunset Strip.
There it is from 1959, 77 Sunset Strip by Mr. Don Ralke. I may not have pronounced the last name right, but there it is. Hope you enjoyed, YouTube.